This is day 10. Look at that. Look at that. That's outstanding, isn't it? So, yep, I'm going to give it a day or two to let this side here fill in a little bit more. We still have some baby growth in there, so I want it nice and thick and nice and tall. And so the next clip you'll see is my cat hopefully playing with it. And this is the coneflower here. Look, we got 2 other ones coming in. So there's going to be 3 in the cup now. Yeah, this is a good window. It's the only one that gets sunlight. Well, guys, this turned out beautiful. It is like the perfect length. I ended up using 3 full skeins of yarn for this project here, and I couldn't be more pleased. It's got a nice longer length to it, and I'm just excited. I am just so excited. I've already washed it once. I've already sewn in all the edges or tucked them in. I mean, this is good to go. What a good day. I finished it, you guys. Happy Sunday morning, guys. It was time to give everything some plant food here. We have a rainful of week. We've got a week full of rain down here in the Nashville area. So I wanted to make sure everybody got some plant food. Almost everybody. You'll see all the new plants I did not give plant food to because I did that last week when they were freshly planted. I'm not going to bother with the hostas or the daylilies here. My gut instinct is just leave them alone and they'll be fine. So, but look how beautiful everything's turning out. This is the garden next door. I probably will weed it for them because if I'm putting that much work into this stuff, that's not going to be that much extra to weed it. So, but I'm not going to tell them. I'm just going to keep it looking neat. But look, as I gave you the highlight there, the purple heart's starting to come in over here. You know, I'm still not certain if those back there, oh, can we zoom a little bit? If those back there are Mexican petunias or not. So I'm just going to let them go. Yeah, everything's looking really good. Everything's looking really good. Next week, I'll be looking for one of these. It's now going to be the weekly checkup for my firecracker, fireworks, poker, pineapple, whatever bomb it's called. Like hell if I'll ever get that right. But anyway, that's it. That's all I got for you guys this week. Have a good one, and thank you for watching.